Regarding self-inductance, the self-inductance of the coil depends on its geometry. So there are 5 statements we have to find which are the true. So option A, that is, it says that the self-inductance of the coil depends on its geometry. Now we know that the self-inductance of a coil L is equal to mu 0 n square A divided by 2 pi r. So here obviously it depends on the area and radius, so it depends on the geometry. So option A is right. Now B, it says self-inductance does not depend on the permeability of the medium, but in this expression we can see that it depends on permeability. So B is not true. So B is wrong. Now C, self-induced EMF opposes any change in the current in the circuit. So according to Lenz's law, it is correct because it opposes any change that produces it. So option C is correct. Now D, now the statement D, it says self-inductance is electromagnetic analog of mass in mechanics. Yes, it is true. So D is true. And E, work needs to be done against self-induced EMF in establishing the current. So the supply voltage has to do some work, or the EMF has to do work against this self-induced EMF in establishing the current. So option E is correct. Now A, C, D, E are correct. So now find which option is this. So A, C, D, E, that is here option 2, it says A, C, D, E only. So option 2 is correct answer. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.